This is day 2. Yesterday we learned that LLM breaks your sentence into tokens before processing anything. But how does that splitting actually happens? There are majorly 3 ways and 2 of them have serious problem. Option 1, word level tokenization. Simple logic, every word becomes 1 token. The cat sat on the becomes 5 token. Easy. But here's the problem. English has around 600,000 words. Your dictionary becomes massive. And what happens when a new word appears like Ozempic? The model has never seen it before. It has no tokens for it. That's called an out of vocabulary word, and the model just breaks on it. Option 2, character level tokenization. Now every single character becomes a token. Your dictionary shrinks to just 26 letters plus symbols. Tiny, and any new word, never a problem. Ozempic just becomes Ozempic. But it also has an issue. The cat sat on the goes from 5 token to 18. Every sentence becomes a massive sequence and the meaning of the word get completely lost. Cat is no longer cat, it's just CAT, 3 random characters. So what's the solution? Something in between called Byte Pair Encoding, BPE. Here exactly how it works. Take this sequence for example, CCCAK, CCCACM. Step 1, find the most frequent pair, that's CC, which appearing 4 times. Replace every CC with a new symbol Q. Now you have QCA, K, QCA, CM. Step 2, find the most frequent pair, that's QC. Replace with P. Now we have PAK, PACM. Step 3, PA is the most frequent pair now. Replace with C. Now we have ZKCCM. No more repeating pairs, BP stops. So here's the key insight. OpenAI didn't run BP on your sentence. They basically ran it on the entire internet, billions of words during the training. That process built a fixed size dictionary of 50,257 tokens for GPT-3, which was done once and saved forever. So every time you type something into ChatGPT, it takes your input and break it down using that same fixed dictionary. Common words like cat and the, they exist as a whole token. Something new like Ozempic, it gets split into smaller chunks that do exist. For example, it could be broken down into O's, M, I, C, 3 tokens. The model never breaks this way. That's BP, trained once on massive data, used forever on your every input. There is a tokenizer website by OpenAI where you basically type any sentence and you can see how they are basically broken down and converted into token IDs.